Did you know that some of the most powerful earthquakes in history have reshaped our planet? Today, we're counting down the top 10 most powerful earthquakes ever recorded. Let's dive in. Starting with number 10, the 2003 Tokachi earthquake in Japan, measuring a staggering 8.0 on the Richter scale. It caused significant damage but was a reminder of Japan's resilience. At number 9, we have the 2010 Mal earthquake in Chile, which struck with a magnitude of 8.8. This quake triggered a tsunami and left a lasting impact on the region. Coming in at number 8 is the 2008 Sichuan earthquake in China, registering 7.9. It resulted in catastrophic destruction and loss of life, highlighting the need for improved building standards. Number 7 takes us back to 1950 with the Assam Tibet earthquake, measuring 8.6. This lesser-known quake had profound effects on the region and remains one of the strongest ever recorded. At number 6, we have the 1923 Great Kanto earthquake in Japan, which was an 8.0 magnitude disaster that devastated Tokyo and Yokohama, leading to widespread fires and loss of life. Halfway through our list at number 5 is the 1960 Valdivia earthquake in Chile, the most powerful ever recorded at a jaw-dropping 9.5. It generated tsunamis that affected coastlines as far away as Hawaii and Japan. Number 4 is the 2004 Sumatra earthquake, registering 9.1 and sparking one of the deadliest tsunamis in history, impacting multiple countries across the Indian Ocean. At number 3, we have the 2011 Tohoku earthquake in Japan, with a magnitude of 9.0. This disaster led to a catastrophic tsunami and the Fukushima nuclear crisis. The second spot goes to the 1954 Aleutian Islands earthquake with a magnitude of 9.2, causing significant seismic activity across Alaska. Finally, at number 1 is the Great Chilean earthquake of 1960. With its record-breaking magnitude of 9.5, it remains unmatched in history. These earthquakes remind us of nature's power and unpredictability. Stay safe.